6 Ways to Remove Earwax Safely. Welcome to Natural Remedies TV. Before watching the video, please subscribe so you will be updated of fresh new informative videos from our channel. Now let us watch the video and be informed. There are a number of ways to remove earwax safely if you or a child are troubled by too much of it. However, it is important to note that earwax can provide valuable protection for your ear canal, to prevent things from entering it and causing infection and/or hearing loss. Where does earwax come from? The wax in your ears is secreted by the glands in the skin that lines the outer half of your ear canals. The wax and tiny hairs in these passages, known as cilia, trap dust and other foreign particles that could damage the sensitive structures deeper in the ear, such as your eardrum. Earwax is more valuable than most people think because the human ear canal is also rather short and has a slightly sloping configuration, leaving the eardrum quite vulnerable. Compare this with a cat ear canal, deep and shaped like a J, or a dog ear canal, even deeper and shaped like an L. Earwax also helps waterproof the ear to a certain extent so that when you shower, bathe or swim, you don't get a lot of water in your ear, which can lead to swimmer's ear. Earwax blockage. One of the main reasons people want to remove earwax safely is because they have a blockage. They either produce a lot, and/or it gets hardened to the point where it can't be washed away naturally or removed with the light application of a cotton bud. Ironically, people often plug their own ears while trying to clean the earwax, pushing it further in rather than getting it out. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms of earwax blockage can include decreased hearing in the affected ear, earache, the ear feeling full, ringing, or noises in the ear, tinnitus, dizziness, cough from post-nasal drip. Seeing a doctor. If you're experiencing the signs and symptoms of earwax blockage, it is best to talk to your doctor, because you can't examine your own ears safely, and there may be a range of causes of the above symptoms besides earwax blockage. For example, an earache may be a sign of infection. If your ears are excessively waxy, wax removal is safest done by a doctor too. This is because your eardrum can be perforated if you poke around too much. Don't try to remove earwax yourself by putting anything inside your ear canal. Earwax cleaning with a cotton bud should only be done in the concha or bowl-shaped part of the ear surrounding the ear canal opening. Children will usually have their ears checked as part of any regular check-up, so the doctor can remove excess earwax as needed. Ways to remove earwax. 1. Curette. The doctor will use a small, curved instrument called a curette. 2. Suction. This will vacuum out the earwax. 3. Flushing. The doctor might use a rubber bulb syringe filled with warm water, or a water pick, normally used for cleaning teeth. 4. Ear kits removal. If the problem is persistent, you can use a kit at home, such as the earwax removal kits or earwax removal system. 5. Candling. Candling is an alternative medical treatment used in India as part of Ayurvedic medicine. They place a lighted, hollow, cone-shaped candle into the ear to try to melt the wax and make it stick to the candle. However, there is no research to support it actually working, and a live flame can result in burns, ear canal obstructions and even eardrum perforations. 6. Softening. Use an eyedropper to apply a few drops of baby oil, mineral oil, glycerin or hydrogen peroxide to soften the wax and make it easier to remove with a cotton bud. Water will usually help as well. After a shower, gently clean your ear, without poking into the canal. The content of this video is for information only and may not be regarded as medical advice or instruction. No action or inaction should be taken based merely on the contents of this video. Instead, you should consult appropriate health professionals on any matter relating to your health and well-being. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share this video. This is Natural Remedies TV inviting you to watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.